How to create a media field with UNOY. Select your page node, press Add New Element and choose Media. You can rename the media field by double-clicking on its name. Upload media from your computer by drag and drop or press Select Media. You can also link media. That's what we are going to do. You can add a caption. And also a description. Press Save and preview to have a look at the media field that we created. Here you see the caption, that's our media field, and there's the description. Let's have a look at the advanced section. Press Advanced to open a drop-down menu. You can add alternative text if the media that you link to your media field is not available anymore. This text will be shown. Change the responsiveness for mobile, desktop or tablets. You can even hide certain content, the media field, on certain devices. Add a style by using a class tag in CSS. Add a comment for your colleagues, or create an active if. Press Create a condition, press Add condition, select a system variable or reference a user's input, choose an operator, and type in a value, or select a system variable or reference a user's input. So that's it for the media field. Thank you for watching and goodbye.